to the recipe rookie, Super Bowl 59, between the Kansas City Chiefs and the Philadelphia Eagles. These are two classic menu items for any Super Bowl party, buffalo wings and Philly cheesesteak sliders. Let's cook. Ingredients. What do we got? First, buffalo wings. And I got chicken drumsticks, which I didn't understand why these are so big. Because you can get chicken wings and they look like regular, but these drumsticks look huge. So this is what we got to working with. First thing to do, use a knife, open these up. Preheat the oven to 450. It's right now at 320, so you might hear that little bell when it hits 450. Pat the chicken wings dry with paper towels. So I'm just gonna, look at this. Yeah, these are huge. I don't really understand that. Okay, pat these. Looks like I've got 6 of these in here. All right, the drumsticks are done. Let's head into the wings. Now look at these. They have that scary part of the wing that no one likes. I'm assuming we're gonna have 6 in here as well. So we're doing a 12 wing order. Okay, oh, I think I need a new paper towel. Ugh. And last one, the wings are dry. We got them all here in my little pan. Seasoning. Here's my bowl. I'm now going to make the seasoning. Let's take these off. I'll get another pair later. Tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of sea salt, and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Goes right in. Let's get seasoned. There we go. Evenly coated, okay? All right, there's the first one. 1. Number 2. I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm not. Oh, this one's bleeding. That's all the wings. Let's do the drumsticks. Mega drumsticks. If I have to choose, I'm a flat guy. All right, we'll go flats. Comment down below if you are a drumstick or a flat. Okay, 4 more. Oh, yeah, this part ain't so bad. And last one. Spread these out here. We've got them all. Okay, well, let's go put these in the oven. The oven is at 450. We're gonna put this in for 20 minutes and then flip them over for another 20. Okay, they're in there. Hey Google, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes.
He's listening today. Hey, while the wings are baking, let's make the sauce. Frank's Red Hot Mild. It smells like the classic sauce. It might have a little kick. We're gonna add the Frank's hot sauce. This is 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter. I wanted the Commanders in the Super Bowl. All right, now we mix this all up. Oh, you can see through. Look at that. You can see through the bowl. Interesting sounds here. Oh, popping. Oh, all right. I'm gonna put them all in this bowl. Take the sauce I made, make sure they get all sauced up, and then we're good to go. So let's throw these in. They feel crispy, I'll say that. All these are in here. Here we go. Okay, let's get the rest. Let's get as much as we can of this. Okay, now we're gonna go sauce. Wow. Okay, these are looking nice and sauced up, sorta. Don't they do this at Wingstop? I don't think that's doing anything. Okay. All right, and now we put them on the plate. All right, there's a lot of sauce here. Buffalo wings, Kansas City style. All right, you ready? Oh, these are the wings. We only need to get this, because that's the drumstick and this is the wing. The drumstick didn't need. All right, now I've just learned that when you buy a package of wings, it is the flat and the drumstick together. So I bought these drumsticks for no reason at all. I was wondering why they're so big. It's because the small version's right here. Oh. All right, you ready? These are pretty good. Wow, I can't believe I didn't know that. All right, Kansas City is showing you. These are great. Here we are. I'm making Philly cheesesteak sliders. My wife and I are still in the hunt to one day we're gonna drive up to Philadelphia and go get cheesesteaks. If you have a recommendation for which place we should go to, please write it down in the comments. Philly cheesesteak sliders. Ribeye steak. We decided not to get the pre-cut everyone gets. We're gonna actually cut it ourselves. You know who has amazing knife skills? This guy. We put it in the freezer for 30 minutes, so I'm gonna cut this thinly. Look at this. Okay. Look at this. I'm cutting this like a pro today. There's no problems. Oh, that was a little close to my thumb that time. Look at that, everyone. I can't eat this. I kind of like cutting. It's very therapeutic. Okay, I think we got enough there. Now I'm gonna go saute some onions to go along with the sandwich. So, all right, here we go. We got my mandolin. Is that it? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Careful your fingers. I'm gonna give you the ball.
Am I supposed to hold this? Oh, that would make it a lot easier. Way easier. Oh, you have to push it. Oh, well, let's see what we got underneath the mandolin. Whoa! Good work, mandolin. Our plate of onions, let's go saute them.
That's good.
Okay, we got the olive oil. Okay, we put some olive oil in. Now we're going to add the onions and we're gonna saute them until they're golden brown. I've got this on medium heat. All right, all right, all right. You know what? I think it's time for a beer. To Super Bowl 59. Okay, back to this. Ooh, it smells good. Do you know what I'm making right now?
Onions?
Very good. Very nice. Look at that. You could be a recipe rookie as well.
I made the lasagna before.
Okay, that's great. Good job, you helped. Oh, they're starting to get brown. Whichever tastes better, the wings or the cheesesteaks, I will be honest, and that team is gonna win the Super Bowl. And this video comes out a week after the Super Bowl, so we'll see if I'm right. What is this I'm making here in this?
Onions?
Yeah, very good. Would you like to stir them for us, please? Okay. And then I have one question for you. Super Bowl is about an hour and 15 minutes away from kickoff. Would you like to make a prediction here who you think will win Super Bowl 59?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Eagles.
He's going Eagles. Wow. Thank you. Back to your game. There they are. We're going to set these aside, and it's time to cook the meat.
Look good.
All right, here is our steak. Right there. You can see that right there. All right. Now it says 5 minutes is all you'll need in here. This is garlic powder, pepper, and salt. And here is the you know what it is. The W sauce. Now we're gonna mix that up.
Ooh, that looks good.
That's good. You want to stir it up?
You could probably put the onions in there.
All right. You want me to put the onions in? You can stir it up with it. Ready?
Yeah. Stir.
Oh, well. Austin, who do you think is going to win Super Bowl 59?
Eagles.
So we got 2 Eagles in this household. Wow. I think we're pretty much good. I think I should probably maybe turn the heat down. And now we're going to assemble. As you can see, we're using Hawaiian bread. It's chopped off the top, and now we're going to assemble all the meat on it. So first I do the meat. Oh, first we do a layer of cheese. Cheese. We're going with provolone. Now, something I recently found, can I be generous with the cheese, or should I go just 2 aside?
4.
So what I've learned about it, cheesesteaks out of Philly, is that they love something called Cooper Sharp. Found this out after I already purchased provolone. So hey, we're going with provolone, but I heard Cooper Sharp is the way to go. Comment down below if you've heard that too. Now meat. Am I trying to not?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Then we'll spread it out. Then we'll go 4 more pieces of cheese. 1, 2,
If we need more, it's okay.
3, 4. And put one right in the middle. 5. Okay, these are the top of the bread. Look at that.
Paint by numbers.
And I'm going to paint by numbers. We're going to cover this. All right, now we're going to put it in the oven, which is at 350 for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. And we're starting now.
I only wanted one timer.
Got it. 7 hours, 22 minutes, and 27 seconds.
What the?
10-minute timer.
I'm done. I'm flip out. All right, I have to be calm. Stop. Go back to the timers.
No problem. They're both canceled.
No! I hate you so much. Timer's gone off. Cheesesteak should be done. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This is looking really good for the Philadelphia Eagles. Look at that. Whoops. Here they are. We got sharp knives now, huh? How about that? Look at that. There they are. Okay. Philly cheesesteak slider. All right. I know who's going to win the Super Bowl, and it's going to be the Philadelphia Eagles. Please subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching. We also have some shorts out there. If you see those, please share them with everyone. We'll be back next Friday for another episode of The Recipe Rookie. Have a great night. Remember, let's cook. Today is a very special day. It is Super Bowl 52. Is that number right? Let's see. No, it's not. What number is this? What's LIX? 59. You can just put those down. Not right in front of the camera. Oh, I can't believe we could have just bought that one package. Oh, crap. Oh, I didn't mean to do that.